this is Evelyn, and today we'll be diving into the exciting world of Litecoin and its upcoming halving event. Can LTC reach $100? Let's find out. In the past 10 days, Litecoin has been making significant gains, surging over 20%. With only 3 months remaining until its halving in August, where mining rewards will be cut in half, Litecoin is following in Bitcoin's footsteps and experiencing price surges ahead of this event. Recently, Litecoin came close to reaching the important $100 price level, hitting $93.25 on May 17, a remarkable 21% increase from its value just 9 days prior. Currently, LTC is trading at $92.31, marking a 3.64% increase for the day and a solid 16.29% rise over the previous week. These gains have helped reverse the losses of the past month, which amounted to 6.75%. Not only is Litecoin's price on the rise, but its network activity is also increasing. The introduction of LTC-20 crypto assets has shaken up the network, leading to a sudden surge in active addresses and a shift in wallet supply distribution, as observed by the blockchain analytics platform Santiment on May 12. As we approach Litecoin's halving event, the excitement and potential for further gains are palpable. Will LTC reach $100? Stay tuned to find out. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to support our content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.